So I think today's topic is clear to you all.
सर
Hmm.
सर जैसे वो ईश्वरन की स्टोरी शुरू से सुनानी है या जो लास्ट टाइम था वहां से?
समरी बतानी है आपको, कोई शुरू से कोई स्टोरी नहीं सुननी, समरी
सर जैसे
आपको बतानी
महेंद्र
है।
को मेंशन करना है क्या सर? मतलब जैसे वो
कर
क्या
सकते हो
करता था
और क्यों
जैसे।
नहीं कर सकते हो, और उसकी कोई इंसिडेंट बताना चाहो तो वो भी बता सकते हो, लेकिन समरी बतानी है आपको बस। एक इंसिडेंट भी बता सकते हो आप उसका, किस तरीके का वो व्यक्ति था, क्या नहीं था। ठीक है ना, काफी डिटेल में मैं आपको सुना चुका हूँ और समझा चुका हूँ इस स्टोरी को।
सर
हाँ,
सर तो ऐसे भी बताना है क्या, जैसे महेंद्र था तो वो क्या करता था उस टाइप से?
कोई खास बात नहीं है, थोड़ा बहुत बता दो, बस बताओ तो। कोई समरी बतानी है आपको, जो इम्पोर्टेंट आपको लगे, वो मेन आपको फोकस करना है ईश्वरन के ऊपर।
ओके सर।
और जिन लोगों को लगता है कि अभी नहीं, तो सुने पहले आराम से, फोकस्ड होकर के आप अपना काम करें। कोई भी तो क्लास छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा, ध्यान रख लेना। और कोई भी कैमरा बंद नहीं करेगा अपना, जिसको जाना हो पहले ही चले जाओ, बस। आज की यही बात है बस आपके लिए। Yes, now we are starting with, I think I have got the name of Rakshit. Today's topic is Ishwaran the storyteller. What you know about him, you must tell it. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit Maurya and today I am telling about the story Ishwaran the storyteller. So in this story we know about a person Ishwaran who used to live with his master Mahendra, and Ishwaran had some abilities like he could get fresh vegetables from nowhere. It was it was not found that from where he would get the vegetables, but he got he got fresh vegetables and was able to make food with them within an hour in an in a desolate place. And also he had the ability to make or weave anecdotes and different stories,
Hmm.
mainly thrillers.
Hmm.
And uh, and uh, the routine was Ishwaran like this. In the morning, he prepared breakfast for his master and for himself. And after his master, and when his master used to leave the home for working, so Ishwaran would take a bath leisurely, pouring many mugs of water on himself, and
समरी
then
ऐसे नहीं होती है, इतना समरी नहीं है, पूरी समरी बतानी है आपको। इतना डिटेल में तो आप 15 मिनट में खत्म करोगे स्टोरी। समरी लाओ आप, कि वो नहाता
okay,
था।
sir.
ऐसे एक एक चीज को डिटेल में नहीं बताया जाता समरी में। बोलो, आगे बोलो।
Yes, sir. And then and he also prayed to God, and he used to his hobby was to read Tamil thriller books, and and he's one of this. And Mahendra used to listen stories from Ishwaran, and the way Ishwaran told stories was very different. He told stories in a different way, whether and most of the stories that Ishwaran told were not real. They were सर इमेजिनेशन से बनती है सर, उनको क्या बोलते हैं, दे वर फिक्शनल.
हम्म।
And he made suspense in the stories, and so that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड। ठीक है, यस, कम ऑन गौरव।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav Verma. Today's topic is Ishwaran the storyteller. So, Ishwaran was a very good storyteller whose master was Mahendran, and he used to live with him. And Mahendra did not used to want a TV because Ishwaran is Ishwaran's story were the only entertainment for Mahendran, and Ishwaran
क्या हो गया आवाज को? हम्म। रुक जाओ, रुक जाओ। नो नो
read Tamil thrillers
नो
where
नो,
he got
सारा
his
खराब
talent
हो
of
गया, सब खराब हो
developing
गया।
talent in market
अरे
and after
अरे
and
भैया,
now in
एक मिनट, एक
yes sir
एक कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, सब दोबारा से बोलो। अभी भी तुम्हारी कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉपर नहीं है। रुक जाओ, पहले कनेक्टिविटी सही करो अपनी,
yes
कनेक्टिविटी सही करो अपनी पहले। क्या लगा रखा है तुमने बैकग्राउंड में? बंद करो इसको पहले, तुम बंद कर दो इसको, बिल्कुल बंद कर दो इसको। बैकग्राउंड में क्या लगा रखा है तुमने? पहाड़ पर्वत, बंद करो इसको। अब बोलो आराम से, शुरू से दोबारा से बोलो।
yes sir so hello everyone I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is Ishwaran the storyteller. So Ishwaran was a very good storyteller who lived with his master Mahindran. Mahindra used to work at a construction site as a junior supervisor, and Ishwaran followed him everywhere. And Ishwaran was a very good storyteller, and he used to read Tamil thrillers where he got his talent to create suspense.
वेरी गुड।
And he used to tell anything in such suspense or in such creativity that everyone would attract to his stories. Like if he want to say that he saw a tree laying down on the road, he would say like that he was walking through a road and saw a big animal sleeping in the middle of the road, and af- and he was very scared, and then when he tried to touch the animal and go near it, he he found that it was not an animal, it was just a log of wood. So, and also he would get vegetables from nowhere, and also he would uh, in- and Mahindran would not need any TV, mobile, or anything on any source of entertainment except Ishwaran. That's it. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसको तुमने किया। ओके, वेरी नाइस, नस कम ऑन हर्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Moore, and today's my topic is Ishwaran the storyteller. So, this story starts from where Ishwaran was a companion, an asset, and also a food maker for Mahindra. And Ishwaran had an had many great qualities, like he could even find food from where no one could get the food, and he could make that within an hour. And he also had a great ability to make thrill stories which had suspense because of reading Tamil thrillers which used to be of 100 pages about. And he could make the stories to thrill that most of the that he used to leave the stories at the moment where the real suspense started. Like we have shown two examples regarding this. Like we may see that he took the example of a bushy beast who was just which was just a lying tree on the roadside, and he said it in a way that it was a bushy beast between sand and road, and no one was around him, and in this way he created too much thrill in that story. And also it is shown by the example of an elephant where he used an elephant who was mad and came from a and who was very mad and who came from a yard by breaking down several things and entered the school ground of his school, and where everyone started looking at the elephant, but at that time he got too much courage that he took a cane from the one of his teachers, uh, and he laid down the bushy beast in a manner, and in this time when he was fighting with the elephant, he left the story untold. And Hindra who used to listen those stories had to tell him that he had not told him the whole story that he was telling. So in this way, he used to create a thrill, suspense, uh, and a horror type of stories. So that's it, sir.
Very good, very nice. By narrating an incident, you made it more beautiful. Very good. Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic is Ishwaran the storyteller that we have been talking about past 3 or 4 days. So Ishwaran the storyteller was a master storyteller and a servant or a cook of Mahendra, who was a junior supervisor by profession. And Ishwaran has a lot of qualities or skills that he shone in the story, like he could grow the vegetables from nowhere nowhere from where no one could grow, and he also has the ability to make the stories more real than reality itself. And he also used to read the Tamil thriller comics and some and he told us that story can be more realistic and more suspenseful than reality, and that's it.
Very less. Okay, but nice.
सर
Keep it up. Yes.
सर हर्षित में जाए क्या?
क्यों?
सर वो क्लास लग रही है सर.
अच्छा ठीक है. लक्ष्मी.
ओके सर, बाय सर, गुड नाइट सर.
Right, Lakshmi.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is the story of Iswaran. And Iswaran was a servant, and he had a lot of ability, and Mahendra was the master of Iswaran, and he had he had he had a lot of ability. He searched fresh vegetable from the forest, and he made good food for his master, and he used to read Tamil thriller story, and he always created in his story. He always created suspense and thriller in his story, and whenever he taught his story to his master, so always he would leave to unfinish his story, and he prayed to God, and
Prayer क्यों? Prayer
and
आएगा.
he
Pray आएगा या prayer आएगा? Prayer थोड़ी आएगा. हाँ बोलो.
yes sir, he prayed to God, and he whenever the Mahendra was posted to isolate area,
Isolated. हाँ बोलो बोलो कोई बात नहीं.
isolated area,
हाँ.
he used to go with him for his work, and he washed his master cloth, and he and he he did his work very well, and Mahendra did not sir, did not complain about him, and they were both happy. That's it, sir.
Very good. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. Yes, काजल.
Hello everyone, my name is Fazil Meena. Today my topic is Ishwaran the storyteller. So Ishwaran, the asset of Mahendra, and he was a cook, and he made food for Mahendra. He made food for Mahendra uh, followed Mahendra where he was posted, and he Ishwaran washed clothes of Mahendra, and Ishwaran was a amazing capacity to found
had an amazing capacity. बोलो आगे बोलो. To find.
an amazing capacity to find food there, and he had an amazing capacity to told the stories
Tell
and
story. Two के बाद first one.
okay sir, to tell stories, and Ishwaran was a very interesting storyteller, and he he made food for Mahendra, and he helped Mahendra in his work, and Ishwaran Ishwaran would read many Tamil thriller books, and he after and had an amazing capacity to make a story interesting and successful, and he knew very well that how to make a story interesting and successful, and he told the story to Mahendra with suspense, and he always whenever he told the story of to Mahendra, he always te- he always told the he always left the story unfinished, and because he wanted to create a suspense, and सर क्या बोलते हैं उत्सुकता को
Eagerness.
क्या सर
Curiosity.
and whenever he told the story of to Mahendra, and he always left the story unfinished, and Mahendra always he Mahendra always wanted to listen the full story, and uh, he create a curiosity uh, of this on this story, and Mahendra uh, Mahendra and he was very interesting cook, and he always cook food within an hour, and Ishwaran had a amazing capacities, and he always help Mahendra, and he always tell many stories to Mahendra, and he told stories to Mahendra with suspense, and and Mahendra had Mahendra not Mahendra did not need to television, because Ishwaran was a very interesting storyteller, and he always entertain Mahendra. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया यार. शाबाश बेटा.
Thank you.
बेटा very good. अच्छा कर रहे हो यार. ठीक है यही चाहिए. Yes now अंजलि.
Yes, sir.
फोकस्ड होके बेटा फोकस्ड होके बिल्कुल जल्दबाजी नहीं करना बिल्कुल फोकस्ड होके आराम से तसल्ली से जितना आता है थोड़ा कितना बोल रहे हो ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है जितना भी बोलो अच्छे से बोलो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलो
Yes, sir. Everyone, my name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic
is Ishwaran. Ishwaran. Ishwaran have a good ability of taking vegetables, good quality vegetables from nowhere,
शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
and he can make food in a hour,
आराम
hour,
से, बिल्कुल आराम से, और आराम से. सांस नहीं भूलनी चाहिए तुम्हारी, सांस भूल रही है. आराम
hour,
से, बिल्कुल आराम से, तसल्ली से बोलो. हाँ,
and he is a good storyteller.
पास्ट टेंस यूज करो.
Was a good storyteller. His story is very interesting, and Mahendra, his master, does not want any TV and YouTube,
पास्ट टेंस यूज
Netflix.
करो. पास्ट टेंस पे फोकस करो. बस आगे बोलो. सही बोल रहे हो आप, तो टेंस यूज करो, पास्ट टेंस.
For entertainment, because Mahendra's stories was very interesting. Like when we say that there was a tree lying on the middle of the lying on the middle of the road. Middle of the road.
बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड.
He said simply. He said like there was a beast laying on the middle of the road. I get scared, but when I got near, that was a tree. Tree cut lane.
शाबाश, शाबाश.
Mahendra was a junior supervisor. Junior supervisor. That's it.
कोई बात नहीं, ट्रैक से आउट हो गई है. अच्छा बोला इसने, पहले जो बोला था बहुत अच्छा बोला था इसने. इसका जो कहने का स्टाइल था ना, जो कहने का तरीका था ना, वो बिल्कुल लगता था बहुत फोकस्ड है. ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए, और थोड़ा फोकस रहती ना, ट्रैक से उतर गई तो फिर और भी अच्छा बोले. लेकिन बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने, वेरी गुड. मैंने कहा ना, कितना बोल रहे हो वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, 2 सेंटेंस में ही छा जाओ, बात वहां आती है. चलिए सिमरन.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. I'm Simran, and today's topic is the summary of Iswaran's story. So, Iswaran was cook of Mahendra, and he was servant of Mahendra, and he was also help Mahendra works, and Iswaran was a good storyteller, and he always story with suspense, and uh, and Iswaran was cook food for in Mahendra, and Iswaran live with Mahendra house, and he also help Mahendra works, and Iswaran Iswaran also want a story with curiosity, and uh, whenever Iswaran live with is Mahendra, then not need any source, because he also tell story and with interesting interesting curiosity, and um, he used uh, he used to suspense uh, uh, in he used सर उसको क्या बोलेंगे इसकी स्टोरी में एक सस्पेंस यूज मतलब उस स्टोरी में सस्पेंस बढ़ाता था
his stories had suspense. ये लो उसकी कहानियों में सस्पेंस होता था.
हाँ सर yes sir and he had a good capacity so that's it sir
अबे ठीक है तुम्हारी?
अरे नहीं सर थोड़ा सा बस
क्या हुआ? सर्दी लग गई? चलो कोई बात नहीं है. वेरी गुड. ओके, टेक केयर. ध्यान रखो अपना. ठीक है. ओके. यस नाउ अनवी.
Yes. Hello everyone. My today's topic is Ishwaran the storyteller. So as you know, we are covering this topic as 3 or 2 days. As
आवाज क्लियर नहीं है.
of grades.
आपने कनेक्टिविटी सही करो. कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं है तुम्हारी. करो जगह बदलो अपनी. कनेक्टिविटी सही करो बेटा.
सर आवाज आ रही है?
बेटा आवाज नहीं आ रही. अभी कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं है तेरी. आजा बेटा, आजा बेटा.
सर अब आ रही है आवाज?
बोल बेटा, बोलेगी तो पता चलेगा. बोल.
Okay, sir. Hello everyone. My today's topic is Ishwaran the storyteller. As we are continuing this topic as 3 or 2 days, and is a great teller. He tell his story like that we are also there, and we are feeling the time that and
बेटा आवाज सही नहीं है. ऑडियो सही नहीं है तुम्हारा. बेटा ऑडियो सही नहीं है. इसको तुम ठीक करके आओ जब तक मैं विपिन को बुलाता हूँ. ओके विपिन.
Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic name is Ishwaran the storyteller. So Ishwaran was a good storyteller. He was a servant of Mahinder. He was a servant and cook of Mahinder. He prepared food for Mahinder and himself. After Mahinder was go to for work, Ishwaran took bath.
हर शब्द के ऊपर फोकस करो. बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत.
Ishwaran had many qualities and skills that he got food in forest anytime, and he make food 1 hour.
In 1 hour को यूज करो. हाँ.
In 1 hour he make story reality. He made story reality and suspensefully. His story was very interesting, and Mahinder was a master of Ishwaran.
Mahinder was the master of Ishwaran.
Yes, sir. That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं. कम ध्यान थी थोड़ी सी, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की तुमने. शाबाश. ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, है ना. वेरी गुड, यस, कम ऑन। अन्नू आ गई क्या? अन्नू, अन्वी,
यस सर, आवाज आ रही है
हाँ आ रही है बेटा, बोल।
सर, वाईफाई बंद हो गया।
आ जा।
Hello everyone, my today's topic is Ishwaran the storyteller. Ishwaran is also a storyteller
पास्ट टेंस
as
यूज करो
well.
बेटा, पास्ट टेंस यूज करो।
Okay, sir. Ishwaran was also a storyteller as well as a cook.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, वेरी गुड, नाइस यूज ऑफ एज वेल एज, वेरी गुड, बोलो।
A cook. Where no one can found vegetable he can found.
फाउंड, कैन आ गया, फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज किया करो, कैन आ गया तो फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करो, और कुड लगाओ
Okay.
कैन की जगह आप, है ना। पास्ट टेंस यूज करो आप,
Could.
पास्ट टेंस को फोकस करो, बोलो।
Okay, sir. From sir, दूर को क्या बोलेंगे?
अवे,
From a long distance away.
अब तो अवे की जरूरत नहीं है ना, फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस, सब ठीक है।
Okay, sir. From away, he could found.
फाइंड मॉडल के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म, यू कुड
Find vegetables and like that type of vegetable that we can get from 5-star hotel. So you sir, अंदाजे को क्या बोलते हैं?
आई गेस,
सर क्या?
आइडिया से कह सकते हो, अंदाजे से, बाय गैस।
You can
guess.
by guess.
You can guess.
You can guess that Ishwaran, how great Ishwaran was. At the night, Ishwaran and Mahindra talk about stories. Ishwaran told story to Mahinder, and like you can understand what type of stories Ishwaran told to Mahinder, and with सर क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या
भूल गई मैं, सस्पेंस। हाँ सर, with suspense Ishwaran tells stories to Mahinder. Like on a point Ishwaran stop the story and say I am doing other work, and after some time I tell to you story. And he didn't say story. सर जब तक को क्या बोलते हैं?
as long as
Mahinder don't tell to Ishwaran. Like I give you an example. Like I give you an example how Mahinder Ishwaran tell story to Mahinder. Like a tree is lying on road, and it is a that plant by tree, and he say like that. Do you know I saw a tree that is looking like an animal, and I am scared from it. And on a point he stopped the story. So you also and you also understand that सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं? क्या कहते हैं उसको? सर याद नहीं आ रहा।
छोड़ दे, अगला बोलते, जरूरी है कि उसी थॉट को बोलना।
ओके सर। In one heart, Ishwaran can
can make food.
Hmm.
Like, and Ishwaran was a worker of Mahindra.
Hmm.
Mahindra,
Hmm.
Mahindra did job. Uh, it did job as a supervisor.
Hmm.
He supervised buildings, dams, bridges, etc.
Hmm.
And Ishwaran wash his clothes, wash his steel utensils, etc. So at the last, I would to say in this story, Ishwaran is the main role is as a worker of Mahindra.
Hmm.
Said that.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, और थोड़ा सा फोकस डेवलप करो। अभी बहुत अच्छा तुम्हारा बोलने का स्टाइल, बहुत अच्छा लगा। थोड़ा सा और फोकस करना है अभी फैक्ट्स पे, सेंटेंस बिल्डिंग पे, है ना? हाँ, ये हमेशा होता है, ये स्कोप हमेशा होता है अपने आप को और भी ठीक करने का। यस, कम ऑन प्रियंका।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Priyanka Jain. I am a student of Rambagh classes.
हम्म.
Today's topic TV.
हम्म. हम्म.
There are many programs on TV.
हम्म.
Um, TV cannot without remote.
हम्म.
TV is connected by internet.
हम्म.
Children watch cartoon on TV.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। फोकस करो बस।
People are watch news, movie, etc.
हम्म.
Uh, uh, TV get knowledge.
टीवी गेट नॉलेज, टीवी प्रोवाइड्स, टीवी गिव्स नॉलेज। हाँ, फोकस करो, फोकस करो।
TV get provide
हम्म.
people watch song and people listening to song
हम्म.
on TV.
हम्म.
TV is very important for our life.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो, फोकस करो, थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ाओ थोड़ी सी। बोलो।
We we can together watch TV
We can
like
watch TV together. हाँ बोलो बोलो.
like news, movie, etc. That's it, sir.
मैडम थोड़ा सा और स्पीड बढ़ाओ, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो, है ना?
Yes, sir.
करो थोड़ा सा चीजों को. अब ये तो आपके ऊपर है मैडम, है ना? वैसे बस कोशिश करते रहो बस आप. रिकॉर्डिंग किया है आपने?
No, sir.
क्यों?
I guessed I.
लक्ष्मी ने
चलो बोलो, आप बोलो. आप बोलो बेटा.
सर महेंद्र के बारे में बताना है पूरी स्टोरी या फिर ऐसे?
आपको ईश्वरन के बारे में बताना है, महेंद्र के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताना.
ओके सर.
ओके. नाम है प्रियंका के बाद नाम है. अभी लिखा है नाम तो इसने बाद में.
हाँ अभी.
कोई बात नहीं. बोल बेटा, बोल बेटा.
हेलो एवरीवन.
जितना पता है उतना बता दे. 3-4 दिन से अपन सुन रहे हैं वो स्टोरी. बोल.
Hello everyone and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujar. I'm telling about Iswaran. Iswaran was a cook. He washed clothes and he worked a lot of for Mahendra. And he had a lot of ability and he told a lot of stories to Mahendra with amazing expression.
शाबाश.
And he was talented man.
शाबाश.
And he brought vegetable and house things and in a forest.
From a forest.
In the forest.
इन भी चल जाएगा. ओके बोलो.
And he read books and he wrote. He read books and he wrote a lot of books and he told story of to Mahendra.
हाँ बोलो.
That's it, sir.
ओके. कोई बात नहीं. आज थकी हुई है तू. होता है कभी कभी ऐसे. मुंह मत बनाया कर ऐसे सुगला. कोई नहीं. होता है कभी कभी. क्या हो गया तो ऐसे मन को छोटा नहीं करना होता है. ठीक है बेटा. चलिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.